Guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video actually we are in Chandigarh right now, and there is a hill station like half an hour away from here, so we are going there actually. So I thought I'll just shoot my journey. We planned a mini trip over the weekend, so we actually came yesterday to Chandigarh. It was actually Mohit's friend's wedding reception yesterday, so we came to Chandigarh. There is a hill station like half an hour away from here, so we thought why not visit there. So half an hour to 1 hour away from here, we actually stopped here at this point to eat some snacks. We booked a really beautiful hotel, but I am very skeptical about it if it's gonna be good or not, because the reviews were not good. But the concept of the house was of the room was very beautiful, so that is why I wanted to book it. So let's see how this trip goes. Guys, we are at this beautiful hotel right now. I can't believe how beautiful it is. I'm gonna give you the tour of my room. There is a dining area, little garden area over here, and then we go inside this room. So this is particularly actually a glass house. They call it a glass house. It's made of complete glass. There is glass over here, and the roof is also of glass. And there is a washroom here. Very basic washroom, but the concept is really nice. I didn't expect this, and at the night I think it will look very beautiful. Get the view outside, guys, now. So there are like different category of rooms available here. So the first category was, I think, the tent room, the luxury tent room, and the second category was the container room, and this third category was the glass house. So we booked this one, and also the images were not clearly available, so we researched a lot. I googled some images. I got a little clue how this glass house will be, because the reviews are not so good. The room was also little dirty.
Come join in my vlog.
So this shirt actually I stole from Mohit. So I wanted to wear a white, like something white. So that is why I stole his shirt. And I have been liking oversized outfits lately. So that is why I stole this shirt from him. We usually never make sudden plans. We always plan everything and then we go on trips, because we feel if we are spending money, so we should have complete time. This is our first unplanned trip. Literally nothing was planned. So guys, we are heading towards a lake called Tikkar Tal. It is like half an hour from our resort, so we are heading there now. It is also a beautiful lake. We have seen pictures. Let's see how it looks. So guys, we are at this lakeside now, and it's quite beautiful. There are like resorts at this lakeside also. You can plan a visit over there. You can see behind me. You can book a stay over here also. If I'll be able to find these stays, I'll just link it down below. So our resort was like 50 minutes away from Panchkula, and then this was half an hour again away from our resort. So in total, if you come directly to this lake, it will be like 1 hour to 1.5 hour. तो आपको 1.5 घंटा लगेगा अगर आप पंचकुला से आते हो डायरेक्टली यहाँ लेक पे. अभी इवनिंग में बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है. It is directly in front of this lake. So there is, this is a garden area, and there are like seats over there. You can chill if you plan a stay in these resorts, so you'll get a lakeside view. थोड़ा सा यार हमारे पास टाइम कम था. हमेशा ही हमारे पास टाइम कम होता है, तो थोड़ा सा और यहाँ पे जल्दी आ पाते, चिल कर पाते, तो इट विल बी नाइस. तो एक्चुअली दिन में तो अभी काफ़ी जो वेदर था ठीक था, बट अभी थोड़ा ठंडा हो गया है मौसम. सो मतलब अच्छा लग रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है कि ठंड लग रही है ना. सो अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे. और आप जैसे थोड़ा यहाँ पे टाइम से आओ आगे अभी जैसे अगर आप प्लान करते हो नवंबर दिसंबर में, अभी नवंबर स्टार्ट ही हुआ है, तो बहुत अच्छा आई थिंक यहाँ पे वेदर आपको मिलेगा. तो बट आप यहाँ पे जैसे अगर आफ्टरनून में भी आ जाते हो या 4 बजे भी आ जाते हो, यू कैन सिट ओवर देयर एंड यू कैन एंजॉय द सनसेट. Hey guys, good morning. So yesterday night actually we went to have dinner, and it was like completely dark. So there is no particular restaurant area here. They had some sitting area, so we went there, but it was like completely dark, and it is like complete jungle area. So that is why we came back in our room, and then we ordered dinner in our room only, and we were like really tired, so I didn't vlog much in the night. So it's the morning now. We had our breakfast. This is our room. So they have like 3 category room, as I told you. So this is the container room. I'll just show you from the front. And then downstairs they have their luxury tent, glass house, and this is the container room, and the luxury tents are downstairs. I'll just see if I can show you the tents, because we don't have much time. We'll be leaving in some time. So guys, actually I wanted to talk to you about the experience here. So actually the thing is, the view is quite nice, the room is quite nice, but then the service also matters. They need some maintenance. The door lock doesn't work, and there were like bugs, because obviously it is at the hill station. In the afternoon we left the door open, and then a huge fly came inside our room. It was very difficult task to get it out. There is a electricity issue also here. थोड़ी देर में लाइट जा रही है. पानी रात को ख़त्म हो गया था, और फिर हमने कॉल किया. Then they switched on the motor, and then the water came. So बेसिक चीज़ें भी थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट है यहाँ पे. छोटी चीज़ों के लिए वी कॉल्ड एट द रिसेप्शन, एंड देन दे रिजॉल्व्ड आवर इशू. इस चीज़ के लिए हमें कॉल नहीं करना चाहिए था. ये बेसिक चीज़ें तो होनी ही चाहिए. If you want to literally spend a day on a hill, or if you're coming here for the view, then it is fine. और अगर आप यहाँ पे आते हो तो keep your door closed, because बहुत ही मोटी flies अंदर आ जाती हैं बहुत जल्दी रूम के अंदर. So just we came here for a day, and it's fine. Like we will be checking out in some time now. Weather is very nice. रात को तो बहुत ही अच्छा weather था. अभी मतलब इस टाइम पे बहुत प्लेजेंट वेदर है, ना ही बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है और ना ही बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. तो द वेदर इज़ क्वाइट नाइस. अभी आगे तो आई थिंक इफ़ यू लाइक विंटर्स, बिकॉज आई एम द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आई लाइक विंटर्स, एंड आई यूजली लाइक वेदर ऑन हिली एरियाज. If you like winter weather, so you should definitely come in coming days, in November ending or in December. They've put this shed over the roof in the daytime. So yeah, you can prefer it open, or you can ask them to cover it. Just wanted to add one thing that whenever we called for anything, they definitely helped us. Just the only thing is there is a maintenance issue. They should definitely work on their maintenance. So yeah, that was the only issue. Otherwise, you know, whenever we called at the reception for anything, for water, like drinking water, or for anything, they definitely helped us. Food is also, you know, it's okay. It's not so bad and not so good. It's okay. This is, you know, purely if you're coming for the view, and if you want to, you know, spend time literally on a hill, you can definitely come here. Let me know, yaar, if you visit here after watching this, if you're planning to come here, or if you are already from Chandigarh and if you visited here. And yeah, I'll be posting pictures on my Insta. You can check my Insta. I'll just leave my handle on the screen.